In this video, I will show you how to fix the setting needs your review message on Facebook. The first thing you need to know is that this is not an error. This is a new privacy update from Meta that asks you to review how your activity is used for ads and personalized content. To continue, you want to tap on Review Settings option. Now, it will take you to a page where you can review your privacy preferences. You'll see option asking whether you want Meta to use your activity from other businesses to personalize ads and content. If you don't want your activity to be used, you want to select Don't Allow, then confirm your choice when prompted. If you prefer to continue receiving personalized ads based on your activity, you can choose the option to allow it instead. The choice is entirely up to you and won't affect your ability to use Facebook. Once you have decided, you can simply tap on the confirm option. After confirming your preference, the review process will be complete and you can continue using Facebook normally. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.